What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. Just give me a quick update on the Caprice. I still got the bends. The parts came in for the bends. I need to fix the pulleys and put the serpentine belt on here. Then we start working on the bends. As far as the Caprice, so yeah, this is the joys of working outside in the driveway. My cover getting all ripped up because the weight of the water just sits on top, stretches the tarp, rips it up. But I'll get another one once you put the glass on top. But yeah, that's the problem, man. Between the rain and the heat or humidity, it's almost impossible for me to be out here welding in a full jacket, helmet, long sleeves. Just ain't gonna work out. But yeah, as soon as we get some decent weather, we can go ahead and finish up the top. But I didn't want to let you guys, just hanging you guys wondering, oh, he started at the top but he didn't finish it. Like I said, everything's welded. I just gotta finish blending the welds down. I had to get a new angle grinder for it, because the black Harbor Freight one's like 4.5 amps. So I moved up to the 8 amp and the welds started blending in. So once I finish up the welding parts of it, just fill in the holes. I'll put the fiberglass, the filler, primer, and I don't know if I'm gonna paint yet. I might just paint it white temporarily. But like I said, you see this paint is like, it's like an off-white. So even if I wanted to, I couldn't really get the real color. So anyway, this is your boy Catloco. Just give me a quick update, let you know the roof is pretty much done. Just need to do all the body work. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.